Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm actually showing you how you can start to make some passive income with YouTube right now. Now, this is going to be sort of like a brand new way, a brand new niche that you can start to make some money right now. This niche is really good because people actually watch these videos and either fall asleep or enjoy them so much that they watch it throughout the whole entire video, guys. And I'm going to show you a method on how you can do this almost passively and how easy it is to get started making some money today. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end, because if you watch till the end of this video, I'm also going to be showing you my favorite way on how you can start to make money on YouTube 100% passive, guys. So make sure you keep watching this video from the entire link of it, guys, so you can start to make some money today and get knowledge on how you can start to make money with YouTube. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. And today's daily comment winner, or whenever I upload a video winner, is going to be Robert. And as you can see, his Bitcoin address is right here, so you're going to be getting some free money from me, Robert. Now, if you want to be inserted into the next giveaway, make sure you leave a comment down with your Bitcoin address on this video, and also give this video a thumbs up. So now let's get started with today's money making method. For today's method, guys, I want to show you something. I love to listen to Alan Watts. As you can see, this one's almost completely throughout. I'm pretty sure I listened to it at least 2 or 3 times. So you can see like there's red marks on all of them because I have listened to them over and over again. So this is something that caught my attention, and like a niche that you can actually be a part of. So as you scroll down, guys, you can see that I'm about to show you a method that is going to be something totally different from all of these pictures, from all of these videos. Now, there's multiple ways you can start to make money with this, guys. And the reason why I'm choosing it, like motivation, like Alan Watts, helping you with the brain, do not think too much, understanding your own shadows, you know, stuff like this, guys. And if you're not into this, well, I'm going to keep showing you different ways, or you can actually figure it out, like doing motivational videos, guys. But this is going to have like a little twist to it. So now once we found a video, now I want to show you something. So we're going to type in Alan Watts. We're going to come down here to filters. I'm going to click on Creative Commons, and I'm also going to click on Subtitles CC. Now Subtitles CC is just going to show us like the wordings within the video. Now the next step for this, guys, is going to be choosing a sort of small video for right now. So like everything will change. So we're going to try out either this one at 7 minutes, possibly this one that's even 4 minutes, just for now, guys. So I'm just going to choose this one right here. So we're just going to copy the link address to Alan Watts or 2 identities. Now we're going to go over to this project. It's called Doodle Maker. Now this is so easy to use, guys. So all we're going to do is once we go to doodlemaker app.com, you're going to click on create project. You're going to come down here where it says new video with translations, and then you're going to type in a title. So we're just going to type in Alan Watts right here, guys. So once we type in Alan Watts, it's going to ask us for our YouTube URL. So now we type in our YouTube URL, we're going to click on get YouTube video. Now it's going to get our video for us, and as you can see, it has all of the wordings right here. So we have almost like 6 slides, I believe. Yeah, 6 slides. Now the next step within this method, guys, is choosing like the style. So we can either have this hand style. We have different hand styles right here. So I'm just going to choose a random one, possibly like just this one. Now you have a icon type. So you have a black icon, colored icon, or mixed icon. Let's just play with the settings, guys. So we're gonna do a mixed icon. Now we have scene background. I personally like to have like a dark themed scheme or scene. So now we can choose a soundtrack. Now since this has to do something with like sort of, I would say, motivation or learning about the brain, and like, you know, something like around there, let me just listen to how Inspire sounds. So let me try to turn up the volume on my desktop so you can actually hear it yourself, guys. So now we can hear it together. So now let's choose, I would say it's either going to be that one, but I want to make it a little bit less like, I guess, exciting or happiness, because this is kind of like a serious type of sound. So let's just keep it this way. I'm going to turn on the volume just a tiny bit here. So now since we have that, we have a select English, or we have a speech language. So we can choose English, Arabic, We can choose any of these guys. How insane is that? Now once we have finished all of this and you have finished typing in extra words that you wanted to add into this, we can just click on save. Now it's going to lead us to something like this. Now here's where it's going to start to get interesting, how we can start to change all of this. Now what this right here does is each slide, which is one of these, it chooses words out of those guys. So you can see that the word question has been highlighted. So now we have a question mark here. So we have like a map, like a destination or something like that. One of these words actually are meant for like universe, possibly education. Now we have like right now, question, heard. So that's why there's like an ear right there. We have a calendar. So there's different words that this has chosen out of this whole section or the scene, and it just added into here, guys. Now you can easily change all of this. Now we can go to TTS voice. So this is pretty much like a voiceover that is going to be doing all of this stuff for us. So I like to do this one right here. So I like to use Emma, so you can hear her voice. It's kind of like serious sounding slash exciting sounding for me. Now there's other ways you can do this, guys. So if you don't want to put on any of these voiceovers on this one, you can go to upload your voice. So if you want to do that, guys, go over to Fiverr if you don't want to do it yourself and hire a voiceover. So we can just type in voice over. So once you type in a voiceover, guys, for $10 you can have somebody do a voiceover for you. Even less than that, I'm pretty sure you can find somebody that is less than that, like around $5 if they're just starting off. There's some that are 20, 140, 150. It just depends on how long the video is going to be, is how much you're gonna have to pay for this, guys. If you want to do it on your own, you even have the option to record your voice right here. Now you can choose her speed. It can be lazy, very slow, slow, normal, fast, very fast, incredible. So you have different ways that speeds that you can use with her voiceover on your scripts. So now once we have that completed, guys, now you go down just a tiny bit. You can select the language right here. If we go to library, you can start to change different stuff about this. So let's say we want to have like something like this, guys, right here. So we can add this background in the back of this actual scene. So we can add that in right there. That's so simple and so easy to use. We can go to Pixabay, start typing in like something that has to do with like the mind. So if we just type in something that has to do with the mind, we're gonna get mind pictures. So we can start to add pictures in here where the person's gonna be drawing out these pictures for us. So this is more like Alan Watts, something like this, guys. So that's something you can add inside of this picture just by clicking this right there, and it's gonna add it into this. So now we can either make it slow, we can put it to the back. So if we just add in different pictures on this, guys, we can delete this stuff, we can change it around, we can make it more attractive. So just by clicking on it, you can start to change the color. You can send forward or backwards, so you can have this all in the background and have these on writing on top of the actual picture itself. So it can be hand drawn, it can slide from the right, slide from the left, slide from the bottom, slide from the left hand. So you can do all of this different types of settings within your actual script or within your actual video itself. We can add even text, we can change the hands, we can add in backgrounds. So there's different stuff that you can do with this, guys. Soundtracks, watermarks, and even inside of settings there's other settings. So there's a lot of different stuff that you can do with this, guys. And let's just say I'm already finished. Let's say I already edited all of these videos right here, all of these scenes. So now since we are finished this, we can actually preview this real quick and see if it's to our liking. You can change the sound of the soundtrack right here at the bottom right hand corner. So as you can see right there, I'm not sure if you can hear the person talking. So there's other voiceovers that are actually more attractive. So there's another script that you can actually do. I think I'll leave the link down in the description. I can't think about it at the moment, but you can actually pay like $30 and have a pristine voiceover done for you. Or you can do it yourself and just start talking in like emotions. So you can start to talk and have like a more motivational type of sound to your voice, or you can start to sound more laid back, more calm, or more relaxed, and you can just record that, guys. Nobody's gonna know it's you. Just because it's your voice on a video, they're not gonna come over here and say, hey, it's you, it's you, it's you. No, it's just a voiceover, so you can sound attractive to the listener that's listening to your video, guys. And let's say this video is around 10 minutes long. You can have advertisements on YouTube within, now since it's 8 minutes, so now within within 8 minutes you can have mid-roll ads, which means ads inside of the middle of your videos, guys. How crazy is that? People will I fall asleep to Alan Watts. People will fall asleep to these videos if they find them attractive and if they like it. So if once we have finished all of this, guys, we're just going to click on create video. Now it's going to create in either HD or full HD 1080p. So once we do that, this video is going to be a minute long. So that's how easy it's going to be done. So it says slides are not containing audio. You need to confirm all slides. So all you need to do is just come over here and start to add in the same person. So right here, just go over here to Emma, or you can start to add in different voices. You can listen to all of these voices that are premium voices to see which one sounds more attractive. You can play with these settings, like go slower, go faster, so the actual next word can come back quicker, so it won't have that little space or that robot-y sound to it. So there's different stuff you can do to that. Now once you have finished this, guys, just click on create video. Once you click on create video, you're going to get downloaded a file. In that file, you're just going to go to YouTube, upload it, and start to stay consistent on doing this. So you can just do this over and over and over again, so you can start to make some passive income on YouTube. Even hire a virtual assistant to do all of this for you, and then you're just going to get the video files downloaded or sent to you. You upload them on YouTube, you do the thumbnail, and you're done. So this is going to be a new method that you can start to make some money right now with YouTube. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, I want to show you something really quick. So if we come over here to ecmoney methods, or go to ecmethods.com, I'm going to be putting this down on a discount of only $25 for you guys to be part of this YouTube course. Now the reason why I'm making it this low is because I want you guys to get in and start using my team. This team is going to be creating the videos for you, the thumbnails for you, the scripts for you, the voiceover for you, everything that is needed inside of a YouTube video. My team is going to be doing this for you guys. Now, if you want to know who my team is, look, if we come over here to YouTube, and I'm doing this all right now in front of your guys' eyes, let's go to the downtime. So once we go to the downtime right here, I'm going to go over to my YouTube channel. So let's go over here to channel. Let's click right here. Now, if you come over to the downtime, and the link's going to be down in the description of this video, my team is going to be creating videos just like this for you. They're going to be creating everything, guys. All you have to do is just upload it. So listen to the voiceover of this, guys. Listen to this. How insane is this, guys?
Olympic athletes caught cheating. Although the Olympics may have various traditional activities, the most prominent one seems to be cheating. Winning a gold medal is definitely a beautiful moment, but it can turn into an embarrassing one if you cheat.
So
some athletes didn't rely on their ability.
So this is something my team is going to be able to do for you, with different voiceovers, with different pictures, with any topic that you have. All you have to do is just send them the actual topic that you want them to go investigate for you. Top 10 reasons why we have fingers, or top 10 reasons why we have hair. So they're going to go find out information, facts about this. They're going to be creating the videos for you, even the thumbnails. All you have to do is upload it on YouTube, stay consistent, and start to make some money. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.